Stop doing additional data searches and start recycling your data searches. A really common use case for that is with repeating groups. Here I have a repeating group, and let's say I wanted to conditionally show and hide this button based on this repeating group if it's empty or not. Instead of doing a do search for count is 0, which is terrible, don't do count is 0, use the repeating group and the data source that it's already querying. So the repeating group list of QAs, first item is empty. Now this only needs to check if the first item is empty rather than doing a whole count on the operation, and then set your visibility. Or if you only want to show this when the repeating group is loading, then go to your repeating group, say is loading is yes, and it's visible. So stop doing additional searches, start recycling your searches. That's going to save you time and money. And don't we love recycling? So do this if you want to see a performance increase, and follow me on Twitter or subscribe to me on YouTube for more bubble tips. I'll see you there.